Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Apollo.io to find emails. If you're trying to find verified professional email addresses for outreach, sales, recruiting, or networking, Apollo.io is one of the most powerful tools available. It provides access to a massive database of professionals and companies, and it allows you to filter contacts by job title, company size, location, industry, and much more. First, open your browser and go to the Apollo website. Log into your account on Apollo.io. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access the People Search and Company Search tools. These tools allow you to find professionals and their contact information based on different filters. Next, click on People in the navigation menu. This opens the People Search database, which contains millions of professionals from companies around the world. Here you'll see a panel with many filters you can use to narrow down the exact people you want to find. To find relevant contacts, start applying filters. Once you apply these filters, Apollo will generate a list of contacts that match your criteria. These contacts that are generated have emails listed when you scroll sideways. Click on it, and then you can either send them an email or add them to your sequence. Some emails will appear hidden or locked initially. To reveal the full email address, you simply click the Access Email button. Apollo then shows you the verified email address for that contact. Whenever possible, try to prioritize verified emails, since these have the highest chance of being deliverable. This helps improve your outreach success rate. Finally, you can export the contacts and their emails by listing them together. By using the People Search tool, applying filters, revealing verified emails, and organizing contacts into lists, you can build a powerful outreach database in just a few minutes. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.